A WordPress theme allows you to change the look of your WordPress site, and not just the color or the layout, but also things like the font style or size and color of the links and a whole lot more. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to locate, add, activate, and even customize your themes. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can actually locate and add a new WordPress theme. One way is by going directly to wordpress.org/themes and browse through the different themes that have passed somewhat of a quality control check to be allowed inside of the WordPress theme directory. Now, there's a whole bunch of themes out there that did not pass that quality control check or did not even apply to pass that quality control check. But when it comes to looking for a free WordPress theme, I would stick with only those that are within the WordPress theme directory. Plus, there's a whole bunch of quality commercial themes out there that you can pay good money for, and even some commercial themes here as well. But if you are dead set on just checking out free themes, this is the place to go. And browsing through these free themes, you can do that a few different ways. One is by going through those that are listed here under featured, or those that are listed under popular or latest. Or if you've got a pretty good idea as to the name of the theme, you can just type in that name here under the search themes box, or go to the feature filter and check off some of those items that you want on your theme, and then click on apply filters, and those that meet these guidelines will be displayed here for you to choose from. Then all you'd have to do, let's come on back here, is just download that theme to your computer. Then once it's downloaded to your computer, then you can install it to your WordPress site by unzipping that folder and uploading it by way of your FTP client, like in this example, FileZilla. But where do you upload it to? Well, once you've logged into your server, locate the root directory of the WordPress installation, and in my case, it's public_HTML. Just double click to open that up. Then look for the directory that says WP-content. Double click to open that up. Then look for the directory that says themes. Double click to open that up, and then upload that unzipped folder for that theme that you downloaded from wordpress.org into this directory, and you've added a new theme to your WordPress site. And that's using the FTP client. Let's go ahead and get out of here because we're done with FileZilla. Another way, and probably the best way, is by doing all of this stuff directly from within your WordPress dashboard. Now, I've already logged into my dashboard here. Now, if you've never done this before, then up here in the browser's address bar, put in the URL to your WordPress installation, followed by a /wp-admin, then hit enter on your keyboard, and a box is going to pop up asking you for your username and your password. Go ahead and enter those, click on login, and you'll be brought to the WordPress dashboard page. Then from here, come on over to the left and hover over the word appearance, and you'll get this flyout. Click on themes, and then up here at the top, click on add new. And by the way, this themes page will display all of the current installed themes you have on your site. But to add new, just go ahead and click on the add new button. And that zipped up theme folder that you downloaded from wordpress.org, you can just go to upload theme, leave it zipped up, and then go to choose file, navigate to the location of that zipped up file, just like it says right here, and then click on install now. Come on back here to themes. Otherwise, if we go to add new, you can see how this closely resembles that page that was on wordpress.org right here. And you can go through here and you can see some of these have already been installed on my site, but you can preview the different themes that are not installed. And if you like the way that it looks, go ahead and click on install, just like I've done with these two. It's really that simple. You don't have to mess around with FTP clients or uploading folders or files. It's all done right here within the add themes page. And as you can see here, you can do the same searching for themes as you could over at wordpress.org by featured, popular, latest, or even feature filter. Let's come on back to our themes page. Now, that's how you can locate and add a theme. Now, once the theme has been installed, you can activate it very simply just by clicking on the activate link. And it deactivates what used to be the active theme and kind of takes its place. And if we come on back to our main page and refresh, you can see how easy that was to change the entire look and feel of our WordPress site just by changing the theme. Now, as far as customizing it, we can do that one of a couple of ways. Clicking on the Customize button here, or over here on the left sidebar. They're both going to take us to the same place. And these items here that can be customized are theme specific. So depending upon the actual theme that you're customizing, will depend on what elements you have over here that you can in fact change. And it's very simple. As you make the changes, for example, site identity, just hit that arrow there on the right. If we want to change this part of our theme right here, just make the change. And you can see the change take place live as we were typing. And if you want whatever changes you've made here in the customization panel to stick, click on Save and Publish. If you don't, then just hit the X up here in the top left corner. You'll get the confirmation notice, click on Leave this page, and you're done. So again, depending upon the actual theme that you're wanting to customize will depend on what items you can customize, but at least ways now you know how to get to that point. And whatever elements you want to customize, make sure that you click on the Save and Publish button up here in the top right. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on WordPress themes. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.